Dassah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair review on this hair right here. This is the hair from AISI hair. It is the ombre highlight wig and I absolutely love it. We're still in summer, so I'm loving the dark and the like blondish, dirty blonde hair color. I just think it's super cute. This wig does come already with a deep middle part, as you guys can see. I did fold the lace, so the lace is not going to be customized right now. I usually don't cut the lace or customize it when I do my reviews. This is just how the hair looks straight out of the pack, so you guys can get a feel of what it would look like when you guys unbox it yourself. But once you guys cut the lace and do like your baby hairs and everything like that, it'll look so much better. Like I said, it does come with the middle part, but you guys do know that I always adjust my wigs to the side because I like myself personally with a side part. But if you guys don't like the side part, of course you guys can put it on exactly how it comes, the middle part. Either or, it looks cute in my opinion, so I just really love it. I love the texture, the body wave. You guys, this is probably my favorite texture of any type of hair that I ever review. I just love how wavy and body wave hair looks, especially on me, and I just feel like this hair color complements my skin tone. I just think it looks really good. I think this is a perfect length. This is the 24-inch, so you guys see. I love me my long hair. Let me turn it around so you guys can see this. The length. Perfect length, you guys. If you guys would like more details about this wig, you guys would like to see the inside and find out where you guys can purchase it, definitely check out the description box below. I'll have the link to the wig, and I will also be sharing you guys a little bit discount codes where you guys could get money off your hair. So here's how the packaging looks. It says AISI hair, and then it just has like, I like how it has like the peekaboo right here where you guys can see like a little peek of the hair. On the other side it does say best design gives you the best. So let's go to unbox it. Here it is right out of the pack. It does come with wig caps. It comes with the 2-piece wig caps in the color nude, and I'm gonna go ahead and get a better look at this wig. So let me take the paper out. You guys see this is a full lace front wig from both ends. Inside, as you guys can see, the lace is only right in the middle, as you guys can see. So it's not a free parting wig, so you only could part it a middle part. And then it does have a comb on that side, a comb on the other side, a comb at the bottom, and then the adjustable strap so you can adjust it to your head size. It does have a little card right here that says the AISI hair logo. The AISI hair logo right here. It does also say AISI hair, your beauty is our glory. Love that. And then it has all the, you know, numbers for the wig. I am loving the color, the highlight. You guys, it's still summer, so this color is perfect for summer. Look at the waves, look at the bounce. Super nice, great quality. Look at that middle part, the scalp. Oh, I just love it. So, as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to thumbs it up, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.